What is up, YouTube world? It's your boys, Bobby Sneaker World and Joso Dav back in the building. We're going to be doing a first for this channel. What we're going to be doing an unboxing. And as y'all can tell from the box and the stripes on the tape, this is from Nike.com. So, you know, it's not always going to be... We're gonna have some crazy stuff on this channel as far as sneakers. These are crazy to me. I brought Joso Dav into the video as well because I think I also ordered him something that's coming in this box. At least it should be. Fingers crossed. So we're gonna crack into this box. We're gonna talk about what's in here, and then we'll take it from there. See how y'all feel about it. Let us know down in the comments below. Also, how do y'all feel about unboxings? Does it have to be the most limited sneaker out? Does it have to be the newest thing, or a Yeezy, or a Cause 4, or something from Jordan brand? What does it have to be? Or are you just excited for people to add things to their collection? Y'all let me know. Let us know. Be right back. All right, y'all. So it's that time. I got my trusty blade out. I'm not gonna let Joso cut into the box. I'll cut it. I'll let him.
Hold on. That's huge.
we gotta get in there. So we're gonna crack into the box. I'm gonna let Joso empty the contents and see what's inside. It'll be a surprise to him at least. I think I know what's coming. I got things coming for the next 3 days straight. So I got something today, tomorrow, and the next day after that. So I'm gonna be bringing a lot of content to y'all. It's gonna be all different types of sneakers, different types of flavors. And as y'all know, it's gonna be a lot of releases. Everybody's not too excited about all of the Jordan brand stuff that's necessarily dropping this month, but this year is going to be crazy for Jordan. And I'm gonna try to get my hands on the select few pair this year. So we'll see exactly what I'm able to get my hands on. I'm a working class father, so I'm not going to be trying to get every release that comes out, but I am going to try to get the things that I like. And I'll also make a video a little bit later in the future about some of the different types of swag that I have, the things that I like. It might not be the same things that every single person puts in their top 10 for the year and stuff like that, but we'll see. Anyway, y'all came here to see the unboxing of what's in here, so let's crack right into it. Let's see what we got.
Ooh, Jesus.
What do we have?
That's better than mine.
All right, put this away.
I'm gonna take out this thing.
Okay. Well, I think that's yours anyway. What's that?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice, pretty nice.
Nike hat. Oh, the Nike symbol.
Got the Nike logo, red and white, matches his
my jacket.
His North Face. So I figured that would be something. I didn't want to order myself nothing and not get my son anything. So this is fire. And hey, guys, I took advantage, like I said in my last video, I take advantage of all my resources. Got a notification from Nike, the Nike app, that they were having a sale on everything that was on clearance. It was an additional 20% off once you put it in the cart. So I went ahead and caught these joints and this hat. Go ahead, son.
Nike, thank you.
Go ahead and take the box out. What we got? Go ahead. Oh man, UPS done. Look at my box. Oh, the paper hanging out, my sneaker hanging out. Got my receipt here. Get that out of the way.
What are these? Like a burgundy? A burgundy purple?
Now, these are
wow,
fire.
that's a nice.
Now, as y'all can see, this is, let me see both pair. This is the Nike, this is Air Max 1, obviously. And you can see this is the premium joint, size 10.5. And I think this is the Bordeaux and Black Desert Moss. Nike box. Put that off to the side.
Woo!
And as you can see, here you go. Now, these are dope to me. I've never in my life owned a pair of Air Max 1. I still want the OG colorway in these. But like I said, with these being on clearance and the crazy steal that I got these for, I think I paid like $67 for these joints. And this colorway is crazy. The leather,
just
premium leather,
pair of Air Max.
The black, and then the suede on the upper. And then you got the extra pair of laces here. I'm probably just gonna keep the Bordeaux strings in, but if I want to get crazy and change them out, you got the extra pair here.
Hey, if you ever want to give those to me, I'll take them.
You might be able to grow into these. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see, you got the, I know this is like a yellow, but I'm gonna call this like a dandelion. You know what I'm saying? Like a dandelion yellow on the tongue. And it's just all around. You got the Nike Air on the yams. Yep, on them yams. So anyway, all in all, y'all, I think this is a really dope sneaker, man. I'm glad Josiah loves his hat. Nike.com.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nike.com. I've made numerous purchases from you guys, but this is the first time I've gotten to unbox on this channel. So I hope you guys let me know down below. Even if you don't like this particular sneaker, do you think this is a steal for $67? Would you pull the trigger on these for $67? It's a classic sneaker. The Air Max 1 has been around since I was a child, and I've always wanted it. I still got to get the OG colorway in these, but I'm happy to add these to my growing collection. It's growing very quickly. So y'all let me know in the comments down below, and like, subscribe to the channel. I'll put his channel in the description as well. So you guys can like and comment and subscribe to his channel as well, JoSoDav. So gang gang. So anyway, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I've been holding y'all long enough, man. My first unboxing. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like and subscribe below. OVE.
One thing. Look at that. It has the Nike logo and the Air Max sign. And not the Air Max sign, but like the Air. Really cool. Alright, guys.
What just happened? I'm out.